Look, it's snowing. You can't really see it. See little flakes.
On my way to Panera Bread. Woo! Yay for soup. Scared to know, always on your mind. Even the best fall down sometimes. Even the stars refuse to shine. Hey, don't stop here. I lost my place. I'm close behind. Okay guys, I am headed into Panera Bread to get some soup and to say hi to Kylie and give her a Christmas present. She was the winner of my giveaway, and actually she is dating a guy who was in my drama team in high school, so I thought that was really kind of cool how it all worked out. So I get to meet her today, which is going to be a lot of fun, and go get some soup because it is snowing outside and it's quite cold. It's like 25 degrees. But yeah, I'm excited to meet her. I originally wrote asking a couple years ago if they had a videotape of one of the drama performances that I don't actually have, and she wrote back, and we've just kind of been internet friends ever since. So there you go. Looking forward to meeting her and getting some soup. I've made it to a mall. Let's go do a little Christmas shopping and browsing, shall we? Woohoo!
Check out the pigment on this. Wow.
I see the offensive Christmas sweater is still selling at Target. Okay, you guys, so I am just leaving Target, and I just wanted to show you guys this. It's I Love Lucy. It was a DVD, and it has colorized episodes, and I am so excited to go watch this. I'm a huge I Love Lucy fan, so the fact that it's in color is super duper awesome. And then over here we've got a nice variety of hot chocolate mixes that we're all probably going to drink around Christmas. And I might give my mom this one because it's French vanilla, which is pretty awesome. And I think she'll like it a lot. Yay! Target! Don't know if you can see this, but apparently we have like a massive snowstorm all of a sudden that decided it's happening. This is crazy. I am going 5 miles an hour right now. Hi guys, I'm just getting home. I just pulled into our driveway, and I just wanted to let you know that Star Wars is really good except for one part, and if you've seen it, you know what I'm talking about. I'm not going to give away any spoilers, but it irritated me and left me mad the rest of the movie. I'll just put it at that. And yeah, the snow progressed quite a bit. Not sure if you can really see.